Two groundbreaking platforms, one classic, one cutting edge. Both promise to transform your video workflow in 2025. But which one really delivers? On the left, DaVinci Resolve, the professional post-production powerhouse. And on the right, Runway ML, the AI-driven creative suite for video. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
Here's a quick overview, like a mind map, of all the key areas we're going to look at. Price, AI capabilities, editing tools, platform and workflow, target audience, and innovation and updates. Ready? Let's dive in category by category. First up, price. DaVinci Resolve actually gives you a free version, which, let's be honest, is loaded for a freebie. And the studio version? That's a one-time payment. No subscriptions, just pay and it's yours. But yeah, there's that upfront cost you need to think about. Now, Runway ML, it's free to start with pretty generous credits. Signing up gets you rolling, but if you want more, plans begin at $12 a month. Super flexible. Although, if you're going wild with the generative stuff, credits can add up fast. Not exactly cheap for heavy users. So, who wins here? Runway ML. Mostly for the starter experience and the flexibility. DaVinci's cost control is awesome, but Runway's just more accessible to try, so it edges out. Now, AI capabilities. DaVinci Resolve's got some AI heat, like Magic Mask and voice isolation. It's super reliable for pro color grades and sound, but these tools kind of enhance traditional editing. They don't really generate content from scratch. Runway ML, though, honestly, goes full sci-fi here. Text to video, image to video, object removal, motion tracking, upscaling, and more. Want to remove a background? 2 clicks. The catch? Output can get weird sometimes, so don't expect blockbuster realism just yet. Still, for raw AI muscle, Runway ML is on another level. The winner? Yep, Runway ML by a mile. Editing tools. DaVinci Resolve is king here. Full Pro in LE. You can cut, color grade, add VFX, audio work, all in one package. The timeline control is nuts. But hey, for beginners, there's a learning curve. It's pretty deep. Runway ML, though, their editing is simple. Timeline, keyframes, easy animations, nice for making quick social content. But compared to DaVinci's deep editing suite, Runway feels light. It's not made for complicated movie-level edits. So DaVinci absolutely takes the win for editing tools if you want big league control. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Runway ML powered that totally viral Will Smith eating a hamburger video? Yep, that oddly mesmerizing clip was made with Runway's AI tech. Just, a fun fact while we geek out on these tools. Platform and workflow. Let's talk where you actually do the work. DaVinci Resolve runs on Windows, Mac, and Linux. You get pro-level teamwork if you're sharing servers, but you will need a beefy computer to run it smooth. On the flip side, Runway ML is all about the cloud. You barely need anything locally, just a browser. Collaborate from anywhere, and AI render is fast. But it does need a decent internet connection. If your Wi-Fi is wonky, things can lag. Winner here? Runway ML. Just because of the no hardware, work anywhere, rapid setup, especially for remote teams. Target audience now. DaVinci Resolve is for the pros. Think post houses, serious YouTubers, filmmakers. Deep control over color and audio. The stuff that makes movies look gorgeous. But honestly, it might overwhelm if you're just dabbling and want something quick and fun. Runway ML is for creators, marketers, social teams, even indie filmmakers who want rapid AI VFX, or just want to experiment. But it might not be all you need if you're editing feature films. So I gotta call this one a tie. Both cater to their crowds super well. Innovation and updates. DaVinci is always evolving, listening to what Hollywood editors want, so trust is sky high. But most updates, they stick close to traditional editing upgrades. Runway ML, though, is all about rolling out new generative features. Literally every month. We're seeing Gen 3, Gen 4 coming in hot. Sometimes so fast, it's like, whoa, is this really stable yet? Not always, but it's exciting. So for innovation, Runway ML's pace and AI-first focus make it the winner. All right, let's recap with a glance at our radar chart. Runway ML takes the lead in price, AI features, workflow, and innovation. DaVinci Resolve goes full pro for deep editing and is loved by pros. Target audience? Split, honestly.
To sum it up,
DaVinci Resolve is the gold standard for professional post-production. It's trusted and built for perfection. Runway ML, though, opens up the wild world of AI creativity, insanely fast ideation, rapid experiments, and content generation. Together, creators get the best of both worlds, the power and the agility. If this helped, let me know your favorite DaVinci or Runway trick in the comments. And stay tuned for more deep dives into next-gen creator tools. Catch you in the next one.